Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Tea Lover. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon so you can get the latest update from me. Okay, so as you know that you are just getting the back-to-back ransomware attack on your PC. So I have a solution for you in this video. Okay, last time we have a ransomware attack .zzla file virus. The new ransomware file virus extension is .nwji. Okay, so I have just provided some tips in this blog also. So if you can't go through this video, then you can just move to the blog and just you can go through the steps and you can just recover your data from this also. Okay, the first thing you have to do when you just get your file virus on a computer is you have to just remove this virus first. Okay, so before going for recovery option, you have to just recover your viruses from your computer. Okay, so if you need any help from me, then you can just provide me any desk. Okay, so if you are unable to do it by yourself, then you can just contact me through this AnyDesk also. Okay, so for contacting me you can use any medium. I have just provided Facebook, Insta, Twitter link in my channel also, or you can just find this option in the blog also. So you will just contact me through this medium. Okay, so I'm just available in Instagram as a tlover2054. As you see this, you can just DM me. Okay, so I'll just help you that as I can for you. The first thing I want to tell you that this is a ransomware virus and it do not have any decrypt tool. Okay, so if you are just searching for decryption tool, there is no option of decrypt tool available, because the decrypt tool you are just using from the different site, they are just working for August 2019 only. They do not work for the new ransomware file virus. This ransomware just create a new virus every week, so they can just attack a PC with a new extension, and that decrypt tool will not available to get your data. Okay, so if this is the recent virus, you can find any solution for this. Okay, the only solution for this is using the strong data recovery tool to recover your data. Okay, so there are a lot of data recovery tool. You can use EAUSC master data recovery also. Okay, so but in this video I have a stellar data recovery over here. So first we'll move for the how to remove this viruses from computer. Okay, so for removing your virus from a computer, just you have to move to your PC and you have to check a host option over here. For that host option, you have to just click on this PC option. Okay, after going on this PC, click on local disk C and you will find a Windows. Just click on the Windows. Okay, just scroll down. Now you will find a System32. Click on the System32. After System32, just scroll down again. You will find drivers, DIVERS. Okay, just click on it. Now you will find a etc. Okay, just click on this folder and you can find a host over here. Just click on it. Now you have to open this host with the text or notepad file. Just click on the notepad and click on the OK. Now you can see a host on your computer. So if you have any virus attacked or virus IP address, then you will find that IP address just below this hashtag option. Okay, below this hashtag localhost, you will find this IP address like this. So you have to just remove this IP address and save this file. Okay, now when you successfully save this after removing the IP address, then you have to download any powerful antivirus for your computers. There are a lot of antiviruses. Just type ransomware remove antivirus. Okay, so as you type this, you can find a number of virus. Just download this, so you can use this antivirus and it will remove the antivirus from your computer. So I want to suggest you to use Kaspersky Quick Kill. Okay, so there is Malwarebytes also. So these things are more powerful than this Avast. Okay, so this is the free one. Don't go for it. It doesn't work for your PC completely. So there is another tool also. It's Spy Hunter 5. Okay, you can just you can use this tool to remove the viruses from your computer also. Okay, so these are the things you can remove this thing from your computer, or the best thing you can do is just format your computer and this virus will be gone from your computer. Okay, got it. Now we'll go for the data recovery part. Okay, so for data recovery option, you have to download a tool. Okay, so I have a tool over here and its tool is, so the tool name is Stellar Data Recovery, and you can get this data recovery option just in my site. So just go for it and click on the download. Okay, so after clicking on the download, you can find a Google Drive link over here. Just go for it and you can download over here. So after downloading, many viewers are just commenting about the password over here. Just I have given that password in my site also. You can, as you see that this is the password for the file extraction. or you can use tlover to extract the file. Okay, so after that we'll move for the how to crack this software. Okay, here is the data recovery tool that I have downloaded. Okay, just extract with the password. Now you can find a stellar data recovery 9.005. just click on it. Now you will install this. You just have to do normal installation, just install this thing. Okay, so after installing this thing, now you will do is just go to the shortcut in your desktop, click on the right click. Okay, after clicking on the right click, click on the open file location. Okay, and now you can see some file inside the dir folder. Now you have to just copy the crack file. So just select your bit of your computer. So I have 64 bit, I am selecting for it. Just after that dir folder, just go for the dir folder. Okay, this is the stellar data recovery. Copy this thing, get back one step back, and you have to just paste this thing over here. Okay, I have just already pasted this. Now you will paste over there. Copy this, just copy the 4 file. Okay, there is one more file also in that PC, just copy it. After copy it, just minimize this and you will paste over here. Okay, and you will replace this file and it will be successfully crack your file. Okay, just go for do it, continue. It's very easy. So while doing this, do not open the stellar data recovery. If you open it, then it will not get cracked. Okay, just close all the program and do this. Now you will close this program and open the stellar data recovery option. So it's getting opening, don't get panic. Now this is the interface of this data recovery tool. So now you have to select what do you want to recover. If you want to photos, audio, video. One thing I want to tell you that do not select this everything at all, because when you go for this everything just for at once, then it might take 10 to 12 hours to complete these things, and you cannot get that file. Because of this large volume that you have selected. Okay, so just select the one at a time. If you want a photos, go for photos. If you want audios, go for audios or video, one at a time. Okay, so here I'm just recovering my photo. Just click on the photo and you will just click on the next. It's very easy. So if you have just shown a demo over this stellar data recovery professional option, then you haven't cracked this software and this software will not work. Okay, so if you have any problem regarding this cracking this software, then you can just DM me in the Instagram tlover205. I'll help you through the anydex. Okay, so now you have to select your drive. You will go for the deep scan on the left side of your screen. Okay, now you will click on the scan and it will take some time. Okay, just go for it, it will take some time. So I'm just skipping this part. Okay, so I'll just provide you how it's look after this thing is being or completed. Okay, so now you can look, when you complete this thing, a folder will appear like this. But I want to tell you that if you just go for this individual folder, then you can find only some of your data. Okay, you will not find this data from this recent folder where you can find the data. So for data, just go for the raw data option. If you want JPG, then you will find JPG over there. If you want PNG, it will be PNG, or if you want MS Word, MS Excel. So these all file will be created in a folder over there. So don't get panic and you can just go for the recover after that. Okay, so for recovery, do not select the same drive. If you select that same drive, then you will not able to recover it. It means that you just want to recover the data from local disk D and just you save the same data after recovery in the same location. It means local disk C, then you will not able to recover the data. So I suggest you to not to choose the same disk. Okay, select the next disk over here and you can just go for the start saving. Now you can successfully get your data back. So if you have any problem regarding installation or you need any guide to complete this process, then you can just contact me through tlover2050 Instagram. Okay, so I'll just help you that I can help for you. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon over here, and thank you for your support.